Right now, federal efforts to stop illegal immigration are spreading. Executive orders President Donald Trump signed Monday are playing out in courts or already in action. This morning, his administration is turning to federal agencies. The Justice Department is threatening to prosecute officials who protect so-called sanctuary cities. But 11 of the AGs and the ACLU says that's unconstitutional.
When you release a public safety threat out of a sanctuary jail, when we find him, he may be with others. Others that don't have a criminal conviction but are in the country illegally. They will be arrested too.
If they're willing to do this, it means no one is safe. We're not safe. The community is not safe. Human rights aren't safe.
The administration is also allowing ICE agents to make arrests in places like schools and even churches. This is an attempt to end birthright citizenship, with a judge later shutting it down. 10 TV's Kara Lake joins us live now with how immigration advocates are bracing for the impact here in Central Ohio. Kara, good morning to you.
Good morning. We've been hearing from those advocates right here in Whitehall, and they say that they have growing concerns over what's been happening because here in Ohio, we learned from the American Immigrant Council that there are more than 500,000 immigrants that currently live here. ETSS Tiwahito works with refugees and new Americans, and this week they have been handing out cards and pamphlets with information for their clients. This goes over their rights and what to do if they encounter an immigration officer. The resettlement agency works with families seeking legal refuge in the U.S. for a variety of reasons, but now they say many are worried about what's to come under the Trump administration.
We've been building coalitions with other community partners, preparing and educating our community members, our clients, building relationship with legal aid. We've really been, ramping up our trying to provide gap funding, finding gap funding for some core services that could be cut. We don't want to create panic. We want to, again, make sure that everyone is informed from youth to adult because, the children are impacted as well.
So they say right now their main focus is to really focus on the news so that they can keep their clients updated with everything that's going on, Jay.
And Kara, before you go, what rights do families have if an ICE agent shows up at their door?
Yeah, so we actually talked to some social services agents here, and they actually gave us some information that we put together and shared with you right now on our screen. If you take a look at that list, if someone comes to your door, we learned from them that you do not have to actually open your door, and ICE cannot come in without a warrant. They say to remain silent, and anything you say could be used against you. And also, you do not want to sign anything without speaking to an attorney. You should actually report the raid to your local immigration office and then get an attorney to explore your next steps. And again, this is a fluid situation, so as things continue to change, we will keep you updated.
All right, Kara Lake breaking it down for us there. Thank you, Kara.